Hey, it's me again. I'm gonna sing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. I hope you like it. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, used to claim me. It was dark, and now it's over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say that were never true, and the games you played, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lie with you, I could stay there, close my eyes for you here. Together, you and me, together nothing's better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. The things you say, they were never true, and the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, at first something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up at the door, that heart you caused must be waiting for ya. Even now when we already over, I can't help myself from looking for ya. I set fire to the rain, and watch you pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, at first something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, let it burn, let it burn, let it burn. Thanks, I hope you like it.